Hey everyone, I'm Devanshu Shukla from Hackveda. Wondering what a full stack developer is? Let me break it down for you. A full stack developer is a versatile tech expert. They work on both the front end and back end of the web application. The front end is what a user sees and interacts with. Think of it as the face of the website, the design, the buttons, and the text. The backend is what happens behind the scenes. Imagine it as an engine that powers the website, the servers, the databases, and the application logic. The front-end developers know how to build and connect these parts seamlessly. They're like the superheroes of the web development world. Are you ready to become a full-stack developer? Join us at Hackveda in Preet Vihar, Delhi, or take our courses online to master both the front-end and back-end skills. Visit Hackveda today. Hackveda, where your coding journey begins.